Tea for sore throat. Alleviate pain with these 3 infusions. With the arrival of cold weather, and especially with sudden changes in temperature, many people suffer from sore throat. Discomfort when swallowing, irritation or inflammation are manifestations of this generally temporary pain. However, in the case of a severe or prolonged sore throat, medical consultation is essential. But in situations characterized by a mild sore throat, there are numerous natural remedies that can provide great relief without resorting to painkillers. With very simple ingredients, you can put into practice the following home remedies for sore throat. Thyme and peppermint tea. If you are wondering how to reduce throat inflammation naturally, herbal teas in general are good allies when it comes to helping fight sore throat. Preparing and drinking one of thyme and peppermint, very hot and in small sips, will keep the throat well hydrated while reducing the presence of pathogenic microorganisms. In addition, thyme has expectorant properties, so if on top of a sore throat you have a lot of mucus, it will help you eliminate it more easily. Chamomile tea. The top 3 list of home remedies for sore throat could not miss another of the most recommended infusions if you suffer discomfort when swallowing, irritation or inflammation. In this case, it is the anti-inflammatory properties of this medicinal plant that help reduce discomfort by reducing inflammation that may present in the tonsil area. Ginger tea. There are many good properties of an infusion made from ginger root that can not only improve the state of the throat, but provide relief in all symptoms that may include a flu process. Other home remedies for sore throat. Honey and lemon. It is an effective remedy that relieves the discomfort of a sore throat without having to go to the pharmacy. Lemon provides vitamin C, which favours the recovery of the body against infectious processes. On the other hand, honey is perfect for soothing irritation and protecting the mucous membranes of the mouth and throat. Steam baths. If you have a sore throat and also the congestion caused by a cold, steam baths are an excellent idea to breathe and swallow better in a matter of minutes. Just prepare a bowl of freshly boiled water, wait a little while and bring your face close to the bowl, covering your head with a towel. Check that the steam is not too hot, you could burn yourself. And when you see that the temperature is right, bring your face a little closer and breathe. The steam will improve your throat and the condition of your respiratory tract. Aloe vera. It is a great natural antiseptic with anti-inflammatory and healing properties, so it is another remedy for a sore throat when swallowing for its great benefits. Just a few drops of aloe vera juice for food use dissolved in a little water. This is an option to keep in mind when it is difficult to swallow. There you have it, a comforting arsenal of natural remedies to soothe that pesky sore throat. If you found these tips helpful, do us a favour and hit the like button below. It not only warms our hearts, but also helps others discover these soothing solutions. If you're curious about more ways to nurture your well-being, check out our video on 7 teas to help you get started in the morning. Your journey to holistic well-being begins with a single click. And for those looking to explore a curated selection of teas and other wellness products, visit us at hummingbirdtearoom.com. We believe that nature has the power to heal, and our teas are crafted to bring you comfort and vitality. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to a speedy recovery and a throat as smooth as your favourite herbal infusion. Until next time, take care and stay well.